हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग जेंडर स्टडीज़ के ऊपर, ठीक है, पेपर 2 इंग्लिश का इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि एग्जाम्स अब आप लोगों का बहुत पास आ रहा है, ठीक है। तो जितना भी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है इसको आप सॉल्व करते जाओ और मॉक टेस्ट जहाँ जहाँ पे मिले आपको ये टिक करते जाओ, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे एक मुझे एक पीडीएफ मिला था, ठीक है, तो जेंडर स्टडीज़ का, तो इसको हम लोग अभी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। So number 1 what we have is intersectionality is a term that was coined by, who coined the term intersectionality? It was Crenshaw. When? It was in 1989, ठीक है। Number 2 we have DUS is the multidisciplinary study of how assumptions and expectation about gender and biological sex influence cultural, social and political ideas about women and men. It is gender studies. Number C, DUS refers to a person's biological and psychological characteristics. It is sex, yes or no? Number 4, what does gender refers to? Gender refers to cultural and social distinction between women and men, ठीक है। Number 5, gender identity is an individual's self-conception as a man or woman, or as a boy or a girl, or as some combination of man, boy and woman, girl, or as someone fluctuating between man, boy and woman, girl, लिए, ठीक है, gender identity. The term gender identity किसने coin किया था? It is originally coined by Robert J. Stoller. Number 7, very important. In 1950, Sigmund Freud presented the theory of psychosexual development. And row number 8, very important, 3 essays on the theory of sexuality written by Sigmund Freud. When? इसको आप डेट को भी आप चेक करके रखो, ठीक है। Number 9, according to Freud, gender identity developed during the phallic stage of development. Number 10, Carl Jung proposed the Electra complex. Electra complex, when it comes to Electra complex, it is Carl Jung, ठीक है, an analogous phenomenon in girls. Number 11, Sex and Gender on the Development of Masculinity and Femininity, very famous book by रॉबर्ट जे स्टॉलर, इसको भी आप याद रखो, ठीक है। नोट डाउन करते जाओ, एक कॉपी और पेन लेके आप लोग ये वीडियो देखने के लिए बैठो, ठीक है। उसके बाद आप नोट डाउन करते जाओ और मॉर्निंग में या इवनिंग में, व्हेनेवर यू गेट टाइम, जब भी आपको टाइम मिले आप रिवाइज करते जाओ, ठीक है। मैं जितना भी इंपॉर्टेंट होगा मैं ये 10-15 दिन में आपको सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा। आपका सिर्फ काम क्या है, आप सिर्फ अपना स्टडी टेबल में बैठो और पढ़ना शुरू करो, क्योंकि कंपटीशन है, बहुत हाई होगा, ठीक है। और जो भी जनरल कैंडिडेट्स है, एसटी कैंडिडेट्स है, स्पेशली जनरल एंड एसटी कैंडिडेट्स, द कंपटीशन विल बी वेरी हाई, ठीक है। कंपटीशन बहुत टफ होगा, इसीलिए कंपटीशन तो होगा, ठीक है। तो इसमें क्या आप लोगों को मार्क्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्कोर करना पड़ेगा। तो इसीलिए आप कोई भी एमसीक्यूज है जितना भी मैंने डाला हुआ है, ठीक है, आप उसको एक बार चेक करके ही जाना एग्ज़ाम हॉल में, क्योंकि मैंने जितना भी वीडियोस डाला अभी तक मैंने स्लेट का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डाला है, ठीक है। तो नंबर 12 वी हैव जेंडर आइडेंटिटी रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड फॉर द स्टडी ऑफ इंटरसेक्सुअल एंड ट्रांससेक्सुअल। नंबर 13, जेंडर आइडेंटिटी डज नॉट फॉर्म अंटिल एज 3, हु सेड, किसने कहा था ये? लॉरेंस कोहलबर्ग ने, ठीक है। Another one, strong persistent feeling of identification with the opposite gender and discomfort with one's own assigned sex is gender identity disorder. Number 15, gender empowerment measure is a measure for women development, ठीक है। feminist movement aimed at, feminist movement क्या एम करता था? ये equality, ठीक है। Number, select the laws enacted by the parliament for the welfare of women. स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट 1955, ये याद करा। स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट कब था? 1955। फिर डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट इज 1961, कब का, ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना, इसको आप नोट डाउन ही कर लो, ठीक है। जो मैं बता रहा हूँ वो आप नोट डाउन करते जाना, ऐसे आप वीडियो देखोगे ना तो बाद में आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा और आप भूल भी जाओगे। इसीलिए पेन एंड कॉपी आपको स्टडी टेबल में होना ही चाहिए जब आप वीडियो देख रहे हो, ठीक है। अनदर वन, इक्वल रिम्यूनरेशन एक्ट कब था? ये 1976 में। इसको आप अच्छे से नोट डाउन करो और ईयर को आप याद करके जाओ, ठीक है। समटाइम्स पेपर 1 में भी आ सकता है ऐसा। तो डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट कब लागू हुआ था, है कि नहीं? तो स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट कब लागू हुआ था, ऐसा। Number 18, women in India discriminated in political life, true, social life, economic life, all of the above. ठीक है, सब में women को discriminate किया जाता है. ठीक है. Sexual division of labor signifies that work deciding the division between men and women. Number 20, a man or a woman who believes in equal rights and opportunities for men and women, select the correct option for definition is feminist. Equal Ages Act signifies that law provides the equal wages should be provided for equal job for both men and women. ठीक है. Number 22, among the following which countries have high participation if the women in public life? कौन कौन से में? स्वीडन, अफ्रीका में. ठीक है. In India, seats are reserved for women in क्या क्या में ये सो इसका ऑप्शंस नहीं है. ठीक है, ए बी एंड डी. ठीक है, इसका ऑप्शन इसका सिर्फ ऑप्शंस दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो ये आप छोड़ दो. नंबर 24 वी हैव thus are the beliefs that people about the features and character of male and female. Gender stereotype. A man or woman who believes in equal rights and opportunities for men and women is feminism. So what is feminism? ये ठीक है. Number 26, equal remuneration act which provides for equal wages to men and women for equal work. Now 27, the word to denote a person whose sense of personal identity or gender does not correspond to the sex they are assigned as birth is, ये transgender होगा. The first wave feminism mainly concerned with women rights to vote. ठीक है, तो first wave feminism में क्या था? mainly किस में concern था वो? women rights to vote. ठीक है. Number 19, we have the French philosopher Simone de Beauvoir belongs to which feminism? Belongs to liberal feminism. ठीक है. Number 30, according to which school of feminism operation of women as a social group to be the product of the political, social and economic structures associated with capitalism? It is Marxist. Who had written the reproduction of mothering? Very important. ठीक है, एना ऑकले ने लिखा था. Number 32, culture is the determinant of gender roles. Who appointed? It's Anna Oakley. Number 33, according to Talcott Parsons, the role of female in the family is expressive. Now for who had written the second sex? Very important, very famous book. ये कब लिखा था? Simone de Beauvoir लिखा था. Second sex. Who opined that one is not born but rather one becomes a woman? Very important. This is also by Simone de Beauvoir. The postmodern feminism, जो भी मैं टिक कर रहा हूँ, जो very important मैं बता रहा हूँ, इसको आप please note down करना. ठीक है. The postmodern feminism sees gender in terms of discourse. Charlotte Hooper's Manly States is an example of postmodern textual analysis. Who defines gender as a social role performed, enacted by the individuals and validated and accepted by society? It is Judith Butler. ठीक है. Number 39, the opinion gender is really only to the extent that it is performed is related to Judith Butler. Queer theory finds roots in queer theory के roots कहाँ से मिलता है? पोस्ट स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म में. Number 41, the queer theory is a discipline which is difficult to be disciplined. It is Nikki Sullivan. Michael Foucault discussed his idea on queer theory at length. Archaeology of knowledge and genealogy of power. ठीक है. इसके बाद who coined the term queer theory? It is वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, नोट डाउन करो. टेरेसा डी लॉरेटिस ने फर्स्ट क्वेयर थ्योरी कॉइन किया था. फाइंड वन हु इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू क्वेयर थ्योरीज. थॉमस मोर. इव कोसोव्स्की, सेडविक एंड एड्रेंडिस दे आर फ्रॉम दे बिलोंग टू क्वेयर थ्योरी. ठीक है. क्वेयर थ्योरी बिकेम एन एरिया ऑफ स्टडी इन द ईयर कब फेमस हुआ था? 1991 में. हु ओपिनियन दैट कल्चर हैज हाई वैल्यू देन नेचर. कल्चर मीन्स बाय विच मैन कंट्रोल्स एंड रेगुलेट द नेचर. इट इज सेरी बी or Tanner. 47, who developed the term cultural hegemony? Very important. Antonia Gramsci. When? Who developed the term hegemonic masculinity? It is Raven Connell. Another one. Number 49, patriarchal systems are intertwined with wide variety of other hierarchical relations. Example, class, race, nation. ठीक है. Who opinion? This R.W. Connell. Now 50, who argued that women play the key role in maintaining caste boundaries through preparation of food and in maintaining its purity? It is Leela Dubé. Number 51, the difference in the levels of purity, impurity between men and women is much less among the lower caste than among the high caste. Number 52, religion is a gendered institution. Who says that? Is Michael Kimmel. 53. In which of those books Sigmund Freud present his theory of psychosexual development? It is in 3 essays on the theory of sexuality. Child rearing is gender role. Giving birth to a child is sex role. Okay? 56. Children might have awareness of and attach some significance to gender as early as 18 months to 2 years, according to whom? John Monley. Who breaks the formation of gender identity to 4 parts? It is Barbara Newman. उसके बाद 58, इसको मुझे डाउट लगा, ठीक है, छोड़ दो इसको आप. 59. ए फेमस इंडियन इको फेमिनिस्ट में नाम इंडिया कौन आता है? वंदना शिवा. Believes that people have both features and characteristics of male and females are gender stereotypes. Number 61. Unequal or disadvantaged treatment of an individual or group of individuals based on gender is gender discrimination. Number 62. Very important. Article 15 of the Constitution prohibits any discrimination on the basis of sex. ये Article 15 है, ठीक है. Now, full form of NCW is National Commission for Women. India ranks 86 out of 175 countries in the world as gender empowerment is concerned. ठीक है, अभी का चेक करना आप, ठीक है, 2025 में कब है, कब अभी मतलब कौन से रैंकिंग है इंडिया का, ठीक है. तब क्या था? 86. The most basic division of labor on sex and gender. Namaste. Women's subordination and division of labor by sex originated in lines with the emergence of social differentiation and patriarchy caused by historical changes in the modes of production and related structure. This argument is related to whom? It's related to Marxism. Now 67. Gender roles based on sexual division of labor is culturally rather than biological determined. This argument related to Anna Oakley. Number 68. Who opined that the women in the primitive societies had a very active economic role? It was D.D. Kosambi. Women were the first agriculturalists, first pottery makers, according to whom? It was D.D. Kosambi. The belief that romantic and sexual attraction of the opposite sex is the only normal sexual orientation is heteronormativity. The term heteronormativity is popularized by Michael Warner. Gay refers to men who are attracted to men. ठीक है. फिर an umbrella term that describes people born with any 30 different variation in sex characteristics, including chromosomes, gonadal, sex hormones, is intersex. Number 74. The term mux is derived from which language? Spanish. Feminist theory can be divided into 3. ठीक है, याद करना. The slogan "the person is political" very important. ये highlight कब हुआ था? Second wave feminism. The person is political. Who was the key player in second wave feminism? It is Betty Friedan. Second wave feminism का overemphasize on the experience of upper middle class white women is the criticism of third wave feminism on second one. The rebel feminist thought was first expressed by Olympe de Gouges. Mary Wollstonecraft from which country? Britain. The origin of Marxist feminism can be seen in the work of Friedrich Engels. Who wrote The Origins of the Family, Private Property and the State? Very important, Friedrich Engels. Offering a model of women's liberation which is based on male values is a criticism of radical feminism on Marxist and rebel. Liberal feminism is concerned with equal rights for both men and women. According to social feminism, what is the second central material? It is patriarchal system. Women share the experience produced on a wide scale of environment is ecofeminism. The term ecofeminism was coined by Francois de Hugon. Very important. इसको note down करो आप. Ecofeminism was further developed by Ernesta Kims. Maria Mies belongs to ecofeminism. Staying Alive, Women, Ecology and Development, very important, written by Vandana Shiva. The work won the Jessie Bernard Award for Sociologists for Women in Culture, Society, Reproduction and Mothering. Jessie Bernard ka Reproduction and Mothering. In which work of Anna Oakley attacks G.P. Mudrock and Talcott Parsons? It is Interpretation on Sexual Divisions of Labor. Number 93. Which type of feminism critique the values of enlightenment? It is Marxist. Bodies That Matter on the Discursive Limits of Sex, written by Julia Kristeva. Very important. Powers of Horror, an essay on objection, written by Julia Kristeva. Very important. Note it down. In Uttar Pradesh, for instance, it is said that just as she goat may be milked at any time at one's will, so can a chamar woman be enjoyed any time one's distraction. Is by written by Leela Dubey. Who said? It's by Leela Dubey. Gendering caste written by Uma Chakravarti. Number 98, reference to a period of goddess worship existed in Europe and other countries back to 7000 BC. The Robert J. Stoller was a psychoanalyst. Which 5-year plan emphasis on women development and constitutional safeguards like property rights, Hindu Succession Act? It was 10th 5-year plan. ठीक है, तो 1 से 100 तक मैंने जनरल स्टडीज का भी थोड़ा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जितना भी था मैंने आपको यहाँ पे कर दिया है. ठीक है, मतलब अभी डिस्कस कर लिया है. सो थैंक यू. आप लोग का क्या है, पढ़ना है. ठीक है, आप लोग आप पढ़ते जाओ.